of human emotions and experiences remains invaluable.
Instead of viewing AI as a threat, the film industry should embrace it as a powerful tool that can augment human capabilities. The future of filmmaking likely lies in collaboration between human and artificial intelligence, each contributing their unique strengths to create truly innovative and engaging stories.
AI's influence on Hollywood is not just a futuristic vision, it's already happening. Several movies have already utilized AI in various capacities, from generating story ideas to assisting with script writing. One notable example is the sci-fi short film Sunspring, which was created using an AI program called Benjamin. The AI was fed dozens of science fiction screenplays and tasked with writing its own. While the resulting film is certainly surreal and disjointed, it showcases the potential of AI to generate original content. Another example is the Hollywood thriller Morgan, where IBM's Watson AI was used to create the film's trailer. Watson analyzed hundreds of horror movie trailers, identifying key elements and emotional cues that trigger fear and suspense. It then used this information to select the most effective scenes from Morgan to create a chilling and effective trailer. It is crucial for filmmakers and AI developers to address these ethical considerations proactively. Transparency, diversity in training data, and ongoing dialogue about the responsible use of AI in storytelling will be essential to ensure that this technology is used ethically and responsibly. Furthermore, there are concerns about bias and representation. AI algorithms are trained on existing data, which can reflect and perpetuate existing biases in society. If an AI is fed a diet of Hollywood movies that predominantly feature white male protagonists, it is likely to generate similar stories, further marginalizing underrepresented voices. The increasing use of AI in script writing raises a number of ethical questions. One of the most pressing concerns is the issue of authorship and ownership. If an AI generates a script, who owns the copyright? The AI developer, the human operator who input the parameters, or the AI itself?
The future of AI in Hollywood is full of possibilities. As AI technology evolves, it will shape the stories we see on screen.
Will AI churn out formulaic blockbusters while human writers are pushed to the fringes? Or will we see a collaborative future where humans and machines work together?
The future of film lies in the hands of its creators. By embracing AI's potential